I'm liable to start a violent spark with a silent thought. I disgust you like dialogue from the shop to the Wired Frog nightclub. Shit, I was taught if your CD's on fire, you had to put it out yourself like Highland Park. No fire department, so you might not hear sirens at all. But don't be alarmed if I sound off. Something just ain't right with me, dog. A martyr on a private charter, whose life could be harder. Widely regarded, highly bite me, sweetheart. I'm slightly retarded, but tonight I'm starting shit. I'm feeling self-righteous and might just hop in a mosh pit on some Mike Tyson and Pac shit. Looking to box with anybody. Disorderly conduct, I'll fuck around and snort a key and pick a fight with a locksmith. Fan of the locks, bananas, manic. I'm going in shock, frantic. I'm trapped in a closet, panic attack, cause I'm claustrophobic. No faggot, I mean I can't maneuver for movement, cause I have no room for improvement. I'm practically squashed, compacted and boxed in. Toxic, cans of arsenic, flammable bars, examine the content. Bar exam, start of insanity. Charles Hamilton / Manson and Bronson. Animal snarls, cannibal jaws, shark mandibles, slams to the slaughter. Looking scantless as Hannibal stalking Anthony Hopkins with his hands in his pockets. Blackout, Zach Galifianakis. Gallons of vodka, but that gal has some knockers. I bet you they ring a bell when I come back and I'm conscious. What happened, Doc? I passed out again. Alcohol's making me break into vacants naked. Stolen Magnavox and bags of rocks and back up a Datsun. Fell asleep watching Fear Factor and Scare Tactics. Too close to the Stairmaster, poked a hole in the air mattress and popped it. Woke up shortly thereafter, hungover, no underwear, grasping the bear, rasping and dropped it. The Air Maxes in my closet of preposterous Nikes made out of ostrich, and the cross-stitching is a cross mixing of rhinoceros, possum skin, giraffe, and a dolphin. Fin, cotton dockers, Oshkoshes, drop crotches, swatch watches, and sneakers match with the Parkers. But it's like being overstaffed at a boxing gym with all these trainers, but I don't have any boxers. And I'm standing here naked, hangover, still wasted. Like paper, you write raps on obnoxious. Yow! Why does it always sound like I'm grabbing my nostrils? Fuck that! I'll battle them all, I'll battle them all. I'll stand there and yell that at a wall till the mannequin doll scattering the inanimate objects that I'm battering all shattering fall. Cause I hear the track and I'm starting to get fucking amped. I'm a spark plug, I'm like the car with the cables hooked up to my fucking back. I'm a Duracell, but I sure as hell got it backwards, cause y'all get jump and I'll catch the battery charge, but I got a hunch like your back when it's arching. When I start attacking your squadron, you'll feel like MasterCard when I'm charging. So take a swipe at me, I'm coming straight at you like Clay Matthews from the Green Bay Packers. So get the sack like Wisconsin. That's nutbag that I'm talking. Who am I kidding? You faggots are all gonna do my bidding. Don't get dragged to the auction. Neiman Marcus, bags of baton and all. I'll push a bitch into oncoming traffic, just watch this. Stretch tinted black sedan my ass. See, I'm at you act when I drop you off in Saks Fifth Ave in a fucking taxi cab to go shopping. Affable guy next door is laughable. My next whore's gonna have mechanical arms that'll jack me off with a lotion dispenser with a motion sensor. No emotion hints, I guess a sick prick dies hard. I got a Magic Johnson. It's like a magic wand allows me to not let a blonde arouse me. If Ronda Rousey was on the couch with the condoms out, holding 1,000 magnums and wants to pounce me, I laugh in response to how she dances and flaunts it around me. Her flat little badonka is bouncing around, and all I see is Pauly Mullen now. She slaughterhouse in a blouse and Madonna with mud on her. God damn it, I am a misogynist. I slap Linda Ronstadt with a lobster, throw her off a balcony. Just so happens she's fond of algae, cause now she face plants on the Concord. Complete lack of responsibility. Half of you assholes ain't strong enough to pick up a spirit. Shit, you fags couldn't shoplift at a thrift shop, but I let the track lift them up. Boost the energy, klepto, I'm back to rip shop up. But my thing is this now, 5-finger discount. Been rapping so long, I've been killing this shit. It's easy, kidnapping your mom cause I'm still in this bitch. Thievery, ransom for John Butt, Nate, Ramsey and Chandra, Levy, and Gary Condon. Always scared if I went back to the blonde I might relapse, get on some bullshit perhaps, and launch some cracker-taunted action. Bronson, Macklemore, Mac Miller, and Asher Roth, and have some back and forth and record a wag response to Kendrick Lamar's Control verse and perform back in concert. Yo, I put that shit on the Greatest Hits album. Now that was awesome! It takes a massive balls to do some shit like that. Sometimes I have to ponder why people are like, stick around and put up with my crap so long for. What's the attraction, mama? Is it the fact that I'm a walking, talking, actual quadruple entendre? Or the pointy nose is pointing at your mama? Who knows at this point, it's always poking, so man, still get along with this voice, cause that's the monster. So do-si-do with the man, sociopath. Everyone who knows me knows that. What they don't know is the fact Rihanna calls me Pinocchio. Man, she loves the way I lie, sits on my face and waits for my nose to grow. Pathological, cold, liar, oh, wire, Maya. Such an asshole that Maya skies his pants but they're on fire. So am I, woo! Capadonna, cut the track off. Sabotage Christmas, crap in your stocking. I'm wrapping up all the presents in fucking camouflage so you can't even find them. Jack Santa Claus, snap Rudolph's antlers off, wrap his snars in gauze bandage and blind him. Blowing a head gasket at Bed Bath & Beyond, put the basket back, all the bath salt packets are gone. Know you're really tired of me sampling Billy Squier, but classic rock acid rap is the genre. Got Slash on guitar, Splash a bizarre Thrasher and Aerosmith. Now I'm a spectacular archer, feed Count Dracula, Chocula, Godzilla, half dragon and Bob Dylan. Bandwagonism, kicking the damn stragglers off and I'm strangling them.